Hello and welcome to GW Add-ons. Google Forms are excellent for collecting data, but their standard notifications are, well, basic. In a fast-moving workflow, you don't just need to know that someone filled out a form. You need that data to reach the right person, in the right format, every single time. Standard notifications send the same generic email to the form owner every time. But with Smart Form notifications, you are in total control. Our conditional logic allows you to route notifications based on exactly what the respondent says. Leads go to sales, support tickets go to the help desk, and marketing inquiries go to your creative team, automatically and instantly. You can customize every notification using merge tags. By wrapping your form questions in double curly braces, the add-on pulls real-time data into your email subject and body. This means your team gets the context they need at a glance, and your respondents can receive a professional, personalized confirmation that builds instant trust. Reliability is our core mission. While other tools might stop syncing, Smart Form Notifications is built for high-volume workflows. With our detailed execution logs and real-time quota tracking, you'll never have to wonder if an email was sent. Whether you're handling 10 responses or 10,000, we ensure your data never falls through the cracks. Ready to supercharge your Google Forms? Install Smart Form Notifications from the Google Workspace Marketplace today and take total control of your communication. Visit gwaddons.com to explore our full suite of productivity tools. Smart Form Notifications, beyond the basics.